In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ratio chart in Tradingview. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, understanding how to compare the performance of one asset against another can be incredibly insightful. The ratio chart is a powerful tool that helps you visualize those comparisons, spot trends, and make more informed trading decisions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set it up, customize it, and use it effectively for your analysis. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To begin, open your browser and navigate to www.tradingview.com. This is the platform where you'll set up and use the ratio chart. Once you're on the homepage, log into your Tradingview account. Logging in is important because it allows you to save your charts and settings so you can easily access them later without starting from scratch. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to the chart section. Locate the top navigation bar on the homepage. From there, click on the Products drop-down menu. Once the menu opens, select the Chart option. This will take you to your main workspace, where you'll analyze price action, add indicators, and make adjustments to the chart. Give the chart a moment to load, and then look for the toolbar near the top of the screen. This is where most of the tools you'll use are located. To add the ratio chart, click on the Indicators button. Indicators are essential for interpreting market signals such as price movements and momentum, and the ratio chart is no exception. In the search bar of the Indicators window that pops up, type Relative Strength Ratio. When you see it in the search results, click on it to add it to your chart. This indicator is designed to compare the performance of one asset versus another, making it easier to identify which one is showing relative strength. Once you've added the relative strength ratio, you'll notice a new line overlaid on your chart. This is the ratio line, and it provides a clear visualization of the relationship between your chosen assets. This can help you quickly identify trends or shifts in market strength, giving you a valuable edge in your analysis. Next, let's talk about customizing your chart to make it as clear and useful as possible. Depending on your workflow, you might want to adjust the chart settings. For example, you can hide any unnecessary indicators that might be cluttering your view. Alternatively, you can zoom in or out to focus on specific price movements or get a broader view of the data. Tailoring the chart to your preferences ensures that you're working with a clean and efficient setup that meets your specific needs. And that's it. Your ratio chart is now set up and ready to use. You can start analyzing the data, spotting trends, and making well-informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.